So this question is looking for the false answer regarding why chemical reactions tend to proceed more quickly at higher temperatures. A couple things you should realize. First off, collision theory just describes the three things necessary for a chemical reaction to occur. First off, two molecules must collide, they must have the right orientation, and they must have enough energy to get over the activation energy barrier. And from collision theory, we deduce that as temperature goes up, you get more collisions. They happen more often, so a greater collision frequency, and a greater percentage of those collisions are going to have enough energy, the molecules have enough energy to go over the activation energy barrier. So mathematically, we can describe that in the Arrhenius equation right here, which just says that the higher the activation energy, the slower the reaction, because you get a smaller rate constant, and the higher the temperature, the faster the reaction, because you get a higher rate constant. So let's look at which of these answers is false. Let's roll out the true ones. Molecules will have a higher average velocity at higher temperatures. That is true. If they have a higher average velocity, they'll collide more frequently, and a greater percentage will have high energy collisions. Second one, get rid of that one. Second one, molecules will collide more frequently at higher temperatures. That's exactly what we said right here. So we'll get rid of that one. The activation energy will be lower at higher temperatures. This is the one that's false. When you raise the temperature, all that happens is you just have a greater percentage of molecules that have enough energy to get over that activation energy barrier, but the barrier itself has not changed. That is indeed the correct answer. Let's rule out the last two. The rate constant will be larger at higher temperatures, and that's exactly what the Arrhenius equation tells us. So with a higher T value here, you'll get a higher K value here. So that's true. And then finally, molecules will have a higher average kinetic energy at higher temperatures. And again, that's exactly true. Molecules move faster, and as a result, you get a greater collision frequency and a higher percentage of high energy collisions.